Hey guys, welcome back. For this one, I'm going to teach you guys how to reply to an email. So let's say I received an email from my friend saying, "Hey Jed, how's it going? How's the courses going?" Now I want to reply to him saying, "Yeah, the courses are great." Now instead of creating a brand new email, what I can just do is select these two buttons, either one of these, and I'll explain each one, and it will immediately reply to them and put in all their information, all their email addresses, the subject, or the subject that they use, and all the previous emails within that email chain. Okay, so let me first explain the difference between reply and reply all. Okay, it's very, very simple. Now, in the previous examples, I showed you how to send to multiple people. Okay, in that example, we had my mother, my father, my brother, and my sister. If I select the reply button, it will only reply to the person who sent me the email, not all the other people, not all the CCs, okay? If I select reply all, it's going to keep all those extra emails. So my brother, my dad, my mom, my sister, everyone's going to get it. Everyone who was included in the email, okay? So that's the difference, all right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to reply to an email. So let's pick this email right here. And let's pick the reply button up here, okay? As you can see. So let's click that. And what's going to happen is it's going to open up a new email anyway. But the difference is it has the previous email details, okay? The email I'm replying to. It puts in the subject that was used in the previous email, as you can see here, needs to know, and also the person who sent me the email in the to box. So all I'm going to do now is write my email. So thanks for the forward. Regards, Jed. And then when you're done, all you're going to do is press that send button. And it's as simple as that to reply to an email. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.